Good day! In this training video, we'll look at personalizing your account preferences to make using the MYOB Advanced system easier. You can specify your preferences for searches, favorites, and dashboards. Other users will not be able to view your personal settings. Let's click on the username on the right-hand top corner of the screen and select My Profile. On the General Info tab in the User Settings section, you can edit your personal account details like first and last name, as well as phone number, email, and password. Some company policies may allow users to change their passwords once they choose to, rather than when they are forced to by the system. When changing a password, keep in mind that an acceptable password is an alphanumeric string that meets your organization's minimum length requirement, but doesn't exceed 10 characters. When changing any of the settings, for example, email, password, or the password recovery question, the system will prompt you for the password you've used to sign into the current session. In the Personal Settings section, you can add a PDF certificate that the system will use for signing PDF files you generate in MYOB Advanced. If this field is not specified, files will be signed with the default PDF certificate specified on the Site Preferences form. You can also enter preferred defaults in this section for branch location, printer, scales, and warehouse. A checkbox where you can turn off autocomplete is available in this section. This will disable the system from displaying a drop-down list with suggestions when you are typing text. In this section, you can also change to the classic user interface. On the Email Setting tab, you can specify your email settings, open your calendar to other users, and get the URL to synchronize the calendar with any third-party software products you use. You can also enter your email signature in the text area here and specify signature settings. On the Custom Locale Format tab, you can select the date and time formats, as well as the number formats to be used for your user account when you sign into MYOB Advanced. Otherwise, the settings of the default locale will be used. The External Identities tab can be used to enable single sign-on with the supported identity providers. The Notifications Group tab can be used to choose which kinds of notifications you want to see. From time to time, MYOB may send notifications containing important information about the MYOB Advanced system, for example, bank feed status updates. The Active Notification tab displays a list of all MYOB notifications that you have seen. When the Acknowledge button on a notification pop-up is ticked, that notification won't pop up anymore, but it can still be viewed on this tab. Notifications have a built-in expiry date. Once a notification has expired, it will disappear from the Active Notification tab. On the Printing Settings tab, regularly printed reports can be listed. For each report, a default printer can be specified. That brings us to the end of our overview of the user profile settings. For further information on the setup and preferences of the user profile form, you can consult the help articles in the system. Please let us know with your feedback and join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.